Good morning, chickies. I am out here at 5:30 trying to get the whiteflies. So here I go. Spraying the top. I'll have to spray the underside as well. It rained in the night. My potatoes are getting kind of close to this, or this is actually getting kind of big this year. You see, they're not flying around because they're sleeping. It's better if you have the big sprayer. This is a lot of work, especially when you do an entire garden. I'll go along the other side and I'll go underneath. It's a little bit hard to go underneath when you're holding a camera. I'm not on camera because I just got out of bed. I haven't even put any lipstick on. I want to do the tomatoes as well. Look at these volunteers. This is a little hard on my back. I've been doing just a couple of stretches, yoga stretches in the morning. So I've been doing child's pose. And 2 child's poses and down dogs. And this has really been helping with the back aching from gardening. Because, listen, we know this stuff's hard work. It's not necessarily aerobic. It doesn't mean it's not hard work. Now, I should be lifting these. Because I have the camera in my hand, I can't do both. Alright. I really think I better start on these. Oh, these are celery. So funny. Oh, look at the birds that have been snacking. But they're just choosing this one. Harm reduction, my friends. Harm reduction. If they want to eat one thing, sure. I'll let it sit there. Really want my watermelon to get going. The nasturtiums certainly have been snacked on a lot. That looks like a beetle. Japanese beetle. Oh, it's a pretty nasturtium. Look at those leaves. That's the Alaska. I find this from seed. That's the Alaska. Oh, I should do the grapes. I know they got hit by something last year. This is do as I do and do better. Lift the leaves and get up underneath them. Don't hold the camera. And this is why it's better to have a sprayer and use concentrate. Because this is tedious. And oh my gosh, am I about to give you an old lady thing? I actually hurt my arm up there. I had quite a, what we call a sprain or a strain, whatever, you know. Overuse, inflammation, etc., etc. from using a long extension on a hose and spraying manually like this. I don't know if I'm not going to have grapes this year. I don't know that much about grapes. That really doesn't look good, does it? I'm hoping the rain does this stuff some good. Not water, just rain. I will note again, ad nauseum, that I had surgery on one hand last year to release a tendon in my palm because of overworking in the yard at my age. Hate to say, it isn't age related. You can certainly get it when you're younger. I don't know if I've lost my grapes, or I don't really know what's happening. It really feels like I have. Maybe I better check and see what's going on. I mean, there's the beach's green leaves at this point, aren't they? It's looking a little rough. Okay. Let me go to the tomatoes. Still a lot of yellowing leaves again. Not quite sure what I'm doing wrong here. I added some fertilizer with magnesium. Again, you can see why you should be using the sprayers, battery operated even. Pump for sure, but even battery operated. I'm sad to see that. I wouldn't if it was fall. But we haven't even got to summer yet. Oh, this looks terrible. 2 years ago when I grew my first peppers here, they got so many whiteflies on them. Yeah. Well, the tomatoes are looking kind of rough over here, aren't they? I'm not sure. I have to buy them at the store. Boy, that looks rough. I mean, admittedly, it has fruit, right? But still. This looks like a little emaciated plant. This is Capt Jack's. Organic. What is the ingredient? Potassium spinosa, excuse me. Potassium and spinosa. Nothing that should worry the neighbors if they happen to be. As you can see, I have some overspray. That's my best for doing my own battle, my ongoing battle with the whiteflies this morning. I need coffee. I used to have a bottle at least. This is a Marguerite daisy. They always come out pink. It looks like the blooms start red. So cute. I deadheaded quite a bit of it. Good morning to my garden. Oh yeah, they look terrible, don't they? They're spending all their time growing tall and a little less. I believe this is because they're not in full sun. Maybe by end of July, August, I'd want them to be in the, have some protection, but that's what I think is happening. Hard to say. They're getting plenty of water and they're not overwatered. Since they're getting water from the bottom, universally, all the tomatoes are starting to struggle. Surprised how long these pansies are going. All right, I'm gonna go inside. Drink coffee, drink water, put makeup on. Bye.